Hello everybody, my name is Madison here at the Mission Bend Branch Library, and I'll be doing a book talk today on The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. If you're a Hunger Games fan, you know this is the prequel to the Hunger Games trilogy, and this follows our main character, Coriolanus Snow, as the protagonist, whereas in the Hunger Games trilogy, he's the antagonist. But with this book, he's the protagonist, and it follows him through his journey as an 18-year-old who's currently at the academy, who's chosen as one of the 24 mentors for the 10th Hunger Games. Now it seems weird how he would be the protagonist with this book, but it's very interesting reading along how he strengthens with his personality and steps up and forming that bond with the tribute of District 12, Lucy Gray. And as the more you read along with it, you can see how committed he is wanting to win the Hunger Games, even though he thinks mentally he is unable to, due to the fact with District 12 being one of those districts that's not likely to win. But ultimately it goes into his favor, and you see more with the story that goes along how he's able to win, even though he didn't do it the proper way. And then just the more you go on, you see his life evolve after the Hunger Games. Everything just happens short-packed within this story. And I highly recommend it. The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. Thank you for coming to this book talk, and I hope to see you again very soon.